it seems we are in a good shape. There is just a couple more test scenarios to do. We're gonna test A to Z, the primary screens only without adding any new households or participants. And then the second scenario is adding a new household and a participant. And the third scenario is selecting an existing household and adding a new participant. Let's try all of these three. Let's try the all the primary screens only. Now I'll go with alpha. Maybe let's go with something else, omega 7. Well, change of mind. We're going back to alpha because we know that it has participants. It's just different from the scenario that we were going through. And then books. Let's populate this, and that's 636. And this is the new one. We've got everything looks good. Let's run again. And this time let's add new household and new participants. Let's say golf 3. And let's select golf 3. Let's add participants, golf 3M, golf 3M. We see golf 3M here. Let's select education, tuition, next, populate this, submit. It's going through. That's 15. Everything is populated, looks good. Let's run it again now. And the last scenario is when we select an existing one and then we pick, select a custom, add a participant. So we're going to select one where the household exists, but the participants don't, and then add new participants. And go for, and just like picking anything, trying to avoid duplicate. And select that golf 4, education, tuition, let this and submit. And here we see this one all populated. So we tested all scenarios that I could think of. There might be some other scenarios that I couldn't think of. And we just keep repeating this cycle of thinking of what if, and we keep fixing things before we move this to user acceptance testing.